Fairdale High School has just admitted a new student. Blake is just starting to make new friends. She looks harmless enough, doesn't she? But looks can be deceiving. She is interested in a classmate who has caught her eye. Marvin has an older brother, Des. These two are always in fierce competition with each other. They show each other no mercy. Des is obviously superior to Marvin in sports. He's always trying to steal Marvin's girl just because he can.
Des. Dang, who's that? Yeah, that's a new girl. She's in my class. Her name's Blake.
Hi, Blake.
Hey, Marvin, right?
Not this time, little bro.
Yeah, we're in the same math class. What's going on?
Nothing.
Hey there, never seen you before. My name's Des. I guess you know my loser brother Marvin, but I won't hold it against you. Hey Junior, don't you got something to do? It's Blake, right? Hey, you want to get out of here and get something to eat?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Can I get your phone number?
Yeah.
God, I hate him.
Hey, Blake, it's Marvin. Sorry about yesterday. My brother can be a real jerk sometimes.
Oh, it was okay. I wanted to talk to you anyway, but your brother kind of stole me away.
Well, I was hoping you'd meet me. I know a really cool path in the park that goes by some waterfalls. It's really cool.
Sounds like fun. Meet me by the courts. It's close to where I live. What time you want to meet?
How's 5:30 sound?
Perfect. I may be a little late, but I'll be there. See you later. Bye.
Hey, what the hell are you doing here?
I heard you and Blake were talking on the phone. You're going to meet here, so I'm going to steal your girl once again. Ha!
You're listening on the phone? God, I hate you. You're the worst excuse for a brother ever. Why can't you just leave me and Blake alone? Why do you always do this?
Don't you see? It's just a big game for me, and I always win. You're a loser. Blake knows it, and the only reason she's being so nice to you is because she pities you.
I'm not a loser. Blake actually does like me.
You are a loser. You'll never beat me.
Come on, get up. Des? 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 Oh my god. Oh my god.
Blake, I didn't. It's not my fault.
I'm not stupid. I saw what happened. Des was right. You are a loser.
I thought you liked me.
Are you kidding? Des was right about everything. I was just trying to be nice to you. Plus, I could never like a murderer.
You gotta believe me. I didn't mean to kill him.
Get off of me!
Blake! Blake! Blake!